Welcome to the installation of the Yakima FatCat EVO 4 and 6 in black. The EVO comes with hardware for round and square bars, as well as universal hardware to fit most wing-shaped crossbars. The EVO 6 can fit up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards, and the EVO 4 can do 4 pairs of skis or 2 snowboards sandwiched together. The EVO 6 offers roughly 32 inches of usable space, and the EVO 4 is roughly 21.5 inches. Determine which size will work best for you. There's also an expandable hinge on the rear side to fit thicker skis or boards as well. Begin installation of the universal mounts by unscrewing the lever knob from the top of the mounting hardware. Toward the outer portion of the EVO 6 there are 2 mounting positions so you can bring the carrier further out on the side of your vehicle. This helps with loading on taller SUVs. Next, place the washer on top and loosely attach the lever knob. The rear part of the EVO only has one mounting position. Now place the carrier on top of your bars and wrap the strap underneath the bar and place the buckle into the clamp. Adjust the gray knob to the point where closing the buckle will be met with firm resistance. Repeat the same steps for the rear mount. You may need to pull the carrier a little out of the way to avoid hitting the lift kit when buckling into place. The EVO has several degrees of tilting to compensate for angled crossbars. Adjust the carrier The FatCat series features a large button for easy opening with your gloves on. To lock it, simply insert your key and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. If you do not have enough clearance for your bindings, there's a built-in lift kit. Remove the long Allen bolt and lift up on the EVO. Place the washer and lever knob on first and keep it loosely tightened. Be sure your hardware is loose and slide the EVO so the lift kit is completely vertical and tighten the Allen bolt completely. Now tighten down the lever knob completely and fold it down. The lift will add roughly 6.5 inches of height from the top of your crossbar. You can store your Allen wrench in the carrier as well. For round and square bars, remove the top cover, determine which setting you want to use, and take your adapter and wrap it around your bar and snap it into place. Please note there are tabs that need to be cut out for square bars. Place the covers back on with the arrow oriented toward the front of the car.